The Beats pill is back, and now it's more powerful, lighter, and water resistant. Let's unbox it. Starting with the box itself, our packaging is 100% fiber-based with zero plastics. Inside the box, you'll find your Beats pill, a removable lanyard, a USB-C cable, and a digital quick start guide. Scan the QR code here for the complete product guide and get the most out of the Beats pill's features. You can also get Apple Care Plus to protect your pill and a free trial of Apple Music. Once you're ready to pair, be sure to remove the protective cling from the back of the speaker. With your Apple or Android device nearby, press and hold the power button, then follow the on-screen pairing prompts. After you've paired, your Beats pill will instantly work with any other Apple or Android devices you're signed into, and you can use Find My or Find My Device. Ready to play? Control your music right from the speaker using the center button. You can enjoy up to 24 hours of playback on one full charge. A single quick press of the power button will show your battery status. With Fast Fuel, you get up to 2 hours of battery life from just 10 minutes of charging. You can use your pill to charge your phone or other devices via USB-C cable. And while plugged in with USB-C, you can even enjoy lossless audio. The removable carry lanyard makes the pill easy to take with you. And the pill is good to go rain or shine, thanks to its IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. This incredibly loud little portable speaker looks and sounds great anywhere you take it. The Beats pill is back and completely re-engineered. We've made it more powerful, more portable, lighter, more advanced, with up to 24 hours of battery life. What does everybody want from their portable speaker? Power. So we took loud seriously. The bigger, completely re-engineered racetrack woofer maximizes space and displaces 90% more air volume for a bigger bass. In addition, the woofer's innovative ridges and contours beautifully stabilize it while minimizing low-end distortion, even at high volumes. Backing all that up, the upgraded neodymium magnets help the speaker thump 28% harder than before. But it's not all about the lows. The redesigned tweeter delivers crisp highs and rich mid-range tones. The result? You get bigger, fuller sound and improved tonality across the audio spectrum. But we didn't stop there. We gave the pill a facelift. The new 20-degree upward tilt is designed to project music more directly to your ears. We made it lighter and more portable too. Plus, you can use your pill and USB-C cable to charge your phone or enjoy high-resolution lossless audio from your laptop or other devices. And to ensure you can take the pill anywhere, rain or shine, we completely redesigned the internal seals to achieve an IP67 rating. So it's resistant to water, sand, and dust. Combine this with the new removable lanyard and up to 24 hours of battery life, and the pill stays ready to go. So wherever your music takes you, there's no need to stress. Whether you're on Apple or Android, the pill's proprietary chip unlocks seamless compatibility. You get instant one-touch pairing, plus Find My or Find My Device, so you never have to worry about losing your pill. The advanced chip also enables you to combine two pill speakers for extra play modes. With Amplify mode, syncing two speakers doubles your audio experience. Thanks to their Class 1 Bluetooth range, you can set them far apart to fill a bigger space. Or switch to stereo mode to split audio between dedicated left and right speakers. Bigger, better sound. Lighter and more portable. Up to 24 hours of battery life. Unbeatable compatibility. Multiple play modes. We took it all seriously. Let's talk tips and tricks for your Beats pill, like controls, amplify and stereo modes, speakerphone, battery status and charging out, lossless audio, and software updates. Controls. The 4 buttons on the Beats pill can do quite a lot. The center button controls your music. Pressing the power button twice activates your voice assistant. Holding down the plus or minus button ramps your volume up or down. Amplify mode and stereo mode. Want to go even bigger?
Sync two Beats Pill speakers in amplified mode by pressing and holding both center buttons. A blue light on each speaker will indicate that they are synced. To toggle from amplified mode to stereo mode, simultaneously press and hold one speaker's center and plus buttons. Stereo mode turns two synced speakers into dedicated left and right outputs for a surround sound feel. Speakerphone. You can also use your Beats Pill as a speakerphone. Press the center button once to answer or mute a call while the pill is paired. Press the center button twice to reject or end a call. Battery status and charging out. To check battery life, give the power button a quick press. A green light indicates the pill has enough power. A red light means battery is low. Battery status will also pop up on your device screen. You can even charge your phone or other devices from your pill with the USB-C cable. Lossless audio. You can also enjoy lossless audio with your Beats Pill via USB-C cable. Press and hold the power button while plugging the cable into the pill from your computer or other compatible device. Over-the-air updates. As we continue to roll out features and improvements, you'll automatically receive software updates so that you can keep getting the most out of your Beats Pill.